Hey folks, welcome back. Boy, I tell you what, I'm kind of rushing this video quite a bit. I apologize for that if it seems rushed. As I film here, it's a Tuesday night, and I almost never film on a Tuesday night. But this is the last dry night we're gonna get for the rest of the week. So I'm just gonna rush together just a little Chipotle chicken bacon sandwich, or a bacon, I'll figure out a good name for it by the time I edit this. But I'm doing it on the Cuisinart 360 griddle, and which I'm anxious to use because I haven't cooked chicken like this and making a sandwich format. So I'm real excited about that. So guys, let me show you what I'm gonna do. Let's get going. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, Ethan. Everybody. My grandson Ethan, my little buddy. Okay guys, these are just some chicken breasts that have been cut really thin. You can do it yourself, or you can be lazy like me and just buy them from the store as they are. So, and I'm using, just to season these up a bit, some of my favorite of the Tango Spice Company, the Porchetta Rub. It's just a mild seasoning, not gonna give a lot of heat, but we're gonna get some heat somewhere else in this sandwich. So I'm just gonna season over with this. I don't think I've ever used this on chicken before. Like I said, just kind of winging this one. Hey folks, I got some bacon here from a cook that didn't get used in a cook the other night. Let's get it on here. I'm cooking at about a medium heat here, maybe a little medium high. Love cooking bacon on this flat top. I'm getting better, guys. The more I use it, the more I like it. It's gonna work out great for us. Alright guys, give this thing a flip. The thing I love about this grill, I can pretty much walk around it. Do whatever I want here. Okay guys, I'm gonna pull this bacon. It'll be back here in just a bit. Okay guys, I don't want to lose all this oil, but I do want to scrape it a little bit. One of these is smaller than the others. That's gonna be good. Let's see here. Get this on here. First time cooking chicken like this, guys. We'll see how it goes. Guys, we're gonna give these guys a flip and see what we got here. Oh yeah, no sticking here. Ooh, look at a little bit of sear there. I like it. Liking what I see. In a couple minutes, we're gonna make some magic happen. I've turned the heat down a little bit because we're gonna make some magic happen here. Put some bacon right on top of here. Couple pieces. Uh-oh, that's falling apart right on me. It's okay. We're gonna make this happen. Get back on there. Get back on there. That's getting hot. Matter of fact, let's trade you out. Bacon right on top. Give Mama a little extra piece there. Right on top with some pepper jack cheese. One of my subscribers said I should put the, oop, you don't want that paper on there. I don't remember who it was. One of my subscribers suggested I put the bacon under the cheese. I totally agree. Just let the dome do its magic. Okay, let's get these inside and plate them up. Get my family fed, and I'll be right back, folks. let's plate this thing up here. I just got some of this Kraft Chipotle aioli. I'm gonna do top and bottom of the buns. A little bit on top. Oops. A little bit on top. Getting dinner ready, buddy. Yeah. Boy, it got warm out there. Done broke a sweat. That ain't right.
What are you doing?
Check out that beautiful thing right there. Do some iceberg lettuce here on top. Big slice of tomato. Look at there, we're gonna top it off there. Not bad for just making this up on the spur of the moment. Let's get a bite of this. Get a quick taste here. It's kind of messy, but I guess that's part of what makes it good. Notice it's not the bun I would have probably chosen, but it is the bun I got. So we'll take it. Let's give this thing a taste. Mmm. Mmm. That got a big taste of that aioli. Ethan likes it. Okay, he ain't eating that. That is, I think I can make that better, but it's really good. I'm gonna work on this, guys, and I'll come back and do this one again. That bacon, that crunch from that bacon, that was really good. And I always love this. It's kind of a mild taste, but it does add to the sandwich. This is that Tango Spice. It's the Porchetta Rub, guys. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna leave a link down below for Tango Joe's website. Get you some of that, guys. I love this stuff. You can see I've used quite a bit. I'm gonna have to order some more before long. With that chicken, I tell you what, I love chicken. I've been eating more of it because I'm kind of trying to lose a little weight, So we'll see how that goes. Guys, thanks so much. I tell you what, I rushed this tonight, but we got rain coming in and I wanted to get this cooked done. So thanks for bearing with me, and hopefully it didn't look too rushed. So guys, thanks so much. Hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. That sure does help us out a lot. So guys, folks, thank you so much. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.